Cosmic fury, morphin in outer space. Time to save the human race. We're morphin, Power Rangers, cosmic fury. Morphin, million miles away. Powers will illuminate. We're morphin, Power Rangers, cosmic fury. Evolution, revolution, mighty Rangers rise. Cosmic fury.
Here's one hot chocolate with 80% marshmallows. Just how you like it.
All right. That's the measurements. You should get some rest while we build this thing.
Any little upgrades you want, just say the word. My eyes are my favorite feature.
I don't want any upgrades. I just want my arm back.
I know this is a lot, but you're gonna be okay. Javi, you saved all of us back on Zordnia. We're all indebted to you. The least I can do is help our master engineer build a prosthetic for you.
Cranston Tech's founder calls me a master. Oh, if dinosaurs could blush.
I appreciate all your help. Like you said, it's a lot to deal with. I mean, this literally happened yesterday. What am I supposed to tell my parents? And I guess it's definitely goodbye to that new demo I was recording.
Hey, Solon. The antidote's ready, but we can't find the applicator.
I'd better go have a look.
Being musical doesn't just go away. Don't count yourself out. I believe in you.
Ah, here we go.
He sleeps like a log. He's great as a baby, not so charming as a teen.
He'll be cuter when he wakes up.
Be careful with that assumption. I know, we really want this to work, but the poison is a much larger dose than last time.
Neutralizing toxins takes time. All we can do now is wait for him to wake up.
Remember, Mick, the portal Zedd fell through led to a green planet near a reddish nebula.
Yes, I know, Ion. You showed me the memory many times. Don't you worry. I have contacts all over the galaxy. Zato will be found.
Thanks. I wish I could come, bud.
It's okay. After I find him, we'll all go to your cafe to try your new mini Flargan cakes. I can't wait.
He's right. Everything is going to be perfectly fine.
So you're saying we could be in for another alien invasion?
I'm saying it's potentially possible, but just between us, there's nothing to confirm Lord Zedd's on his way. We've informed world leaders and relief agencies, but we wanted to keep Pine Ridge Media in the loop too, and you're the city's civil defense coordinator. Unfortunately, Zedd knows who we are, so the city might be a target. We want everyone to be prepared, just in case.
Have you Rangers tried tricks?
Tricks?
Buzz Blast could stream an intergalactic news story saying that all of Earth has gone on vacation to Venus, so he invades the wrong planet.
He'll come straight back to Earth when he figures it out.
He's probably right.
Morning, Ion. Mind if I get a drink and maybe another towel for Jayborg?
Sure thing, Warden. Could I interest you some Flargan cake, too?
I'll pass on the cake, but coffee sounds great. We don't have a clue what Zedd is up to, so until we have more info, there is no need to alarm the city. Our people have been through a lot. Plus, I'd hate to tell my kids right now. They're making critical decisions about their future, and this could just... it could throw them off track.
It's true. Javi's been off work for a week recording a demo at some exclusive indie recording studio.
And meanwhile, Izzy's packing to go to college with her girlfriend. And no galactic troublemaker is gonna go between those two in the paying global games, believe me.
All good points. Maybe it is better not to rock the boat when we don't know Zedd's next move.
Then we agree, to avoid a panic.
Yes. We won't sound the alarm until we have more information.
And don't forget, vacation to Venus is still on the table.
Gotcha. Now, I better go back to the base to, deal with Ranger stuff. Yeah. See ya.
She loved her idea.
Hey, you said you'd leave me some.
Oh.
For too long, I have been denied my chance to eradicate the Rangers and conquer their world. But this time,
Wow! Are you doing the speech off the cuff? We should be recording these. Let's go from the top.
My plans are secret! And shouldn't you be on your own, Mega Squidrill? Lord Zedd, incoming message.
Former employee of the month Dewdrip here. You'll have noticed I stole a mega squidrill to take down the Rangers and earn back my job. Now witness me. Dewdrip, out.
Squillia! That's your mega squidrill! How could you let that fool steal it?
Mom says locks are for poor people.
Yes, but my insurance won't cover negligence.
You're still gonna get me a new one though, right, Mom? Right?
Enough! If that loser destroys the Rangers before me, I'll be a joke!
No, he could never!
New plan! Dewdrip does all the hard work. If he succeeds, I destroy him and take the credit. If he fails, I swoop in to finish the job.
Lord Zedd.
Son? Amelia.
I knew it would work. Bonnie, get out!
He's still...
It's not safe! Lock me in!
Thank goodness for deadlocks.
We did everything just like last time. This doesn't make any sense.
The poison has corrupted his Ranger energy. I know that this is stressful, Amelia, but we can't let our feelings distract us from the facts.
How can you be so chill right now? We might never get Ollie back.
I am terrified. But putting out that vibe doesn't help. Instead, I'm focusing my energy on the facts. We're not out of options just yet. Now, what exactly do we know about this poison?
It was designed specifically for Ollie. So if you're right about his Ranger energy being corrupted, he gets his energy from...
Dino Henge.
Hey! Have you tried carrying one bag at a time, or are we trying to break another record?
More bags means bigger guns. See? But feel free to call the record books.
How are you? You look exhausted.
Oh, babe, you know just what to say.
Sorry, just... Everything okay? What was the Ranger biz you left for? I didn't see anything in the news.
There is no need to alarm the city. Our people have been through a lot.
Earth to Izzy?
It wasn't on the news, because we were on another planet.
Another planet? Was it an Asada collab? Did you get to fly in a spaceship?
Don't worry. It wasn't anything the Rangers haven't already dealt with before. No big.
Sounds kinda big. Are you sure you should still come to Oakdale with me?
Of course. I've been counting the days. The team knows I'm moving to college. Besides, if they need me, I can just teleport.
Sounds like a lot to manage.
I'm great at multitasking. I can carry the next load of bags and break that record you mentioned.
We've got an alien craft approaching Earth. Get back to base ASAP.
Copy. On my way.
I'm really sorry. I gotta go.
That didn't take long.
Don't worry. I'll be at your place by 3 to leave for Oakdale. Just like we planned. Ranger's honor.
Seems to be a larger version of that thing we fought on Zordnia, and it's headed directly for Earth. It very well could be Lord Zedd.
His timing sucks.
Maybe we take our new Zords into orbit to fight. Less chance of anyone getting hurt, panicking.
You sure?
Hey, you don't have to come if you're not ready yet.
I can't even tie my laces, let alone put a key into my morpher. I'm gonna make things worse in a fight, and I don't want to let my team down.
Take all the time you need, Javi. It's totally okay.
Hey, I'm here to help. That'd make 4 of us. It's an honor for me to fight alongside the younger generation.
Remember, I'm the older generation.
Ion, we discussed this. You were unconscious for 65 million years.
We also discussed not discussing this anymore. We have a job to do. It's morphin' time!
Dino Fury key! Activate! Link to morphing grid!
Triceratops!
Dewdrip! Zords are approaching from Earth! Oh, for real? Launch squid drones! Gal cactus! Why are they everywhere?
It's strange that there's no fleet support. Where are all the other ships? This doesn't feel like Zedd.
Zedd or not, if they're coming for Earth, they ain't getting through.
Light him up!
Cosmic Blast! Activate stabilizer and patch me into their comms!
A call?
I knew you couldn't resist coming to fight your mortal nemesis.
You evilized Ollie.
Blue goo guy? Why does he get one of them big ships?
Have some respect. My name is Dewdrip.
I'll make you dude R.I.P. Swords combined!
Cosmic Fury Megazord, ready!
Cosmic Blast!
If one is fun, twice as nice.
No, not the cactus!
Think that's painful?
Cosmic Fury Megazord! Cosmic Mega Blast!
Lord Zedd will be right behind you, and after I safely eject, he and I will...
Cosmic Fury victory!
Great coordination, team. But based on what he said, Zedd's forces aren't far behind.
That's what I'm worried about.
Head back to base, Rangers. There's something you've gotta see.
Keep flexing, nice and gentle. Sync levels are good.
Here you go.
Thanks.
How does it feel?
Oh.
Come on.
Don't panic. The sync rate between your brain and your arm is going to fluctuate as the tech gets to know you.
Oh, don't touch it!
My bad.
I'm sorry,
It's not your fault, but this button hasn't been pressed in 65 million years. You know, it took me a long time to get used to my cybernetics.
Don't push yourself too hard, okay?
Yeah, okay. It is a lot to get used to.
We got your back, bro.
In your front, too.
Thanks, guys.
You've got this.
How's Ollie doing?
As persistent as ever, but Amelia and I have a plan.
We're gonna need some help.
I believe we can harness the energy from the Tricera statue at Dinohenge using the energy conductor Tarek stole when he was evil.
So it's not just Ollie. Your father was evil too?
And my mom. It's been a total saga. Anyways, we'll use this to blast Ollie with pure grid energy.
So what you're proposing is an energy purge to sanitize his corrupted link to the Morphin grid. That could work.
If it doesn't, we'll know that his Ranger energy is fundamentally changed.
Let's not dwell on that. Zedd could arrive at any second. So if we want to stand a chance against him, we're gonna need the whole team, including Ollie. So we gotta work fast and be ready for an attack. This plan has a lot of moving parts.
Careful with those cuticles, Inkwork. They cost more than you.
Approaching Earth now! The stolen ship has been obliterated!
My ship! I only unboxed it last week.
Now is the perfect time to strike. Find Dinohenge and prepare for a ground assault.
Hey, Rena. Have you seen Izzy? She was supposed to come by at 3.
Oh, sorry, hon. We're waiting too. Did you check the track?
Izzy's busy. Leave a message after the tone.
Voicemail? It's not like Izzy. Did she say where she was going?
No, but I think I know where she might be. I'll text you.
A fleet of ships is entering the solar system. Izzy, it's go time. I'll stand by to wrangle Ollie. Get Dinohenge under cover.
I'm on it. Invisi cloak!
Whoa! Dome's up! You're totally invisible from here.
I'm a great multitasker, but I can't hold this dome and fight. Hope you got my back, boys.
Copy that. We'll keep an eye out for any uninvited guests.
Speaking of, vision enhance! Looks clear so far. Wait, nope! We got our party crashes at 9 o'clock.
You keep watch. I'll roll out the welcome mat.
Aw, look at that young man go.
Blast him!
Any more coming, Ion?
Still all clear. Except there's a bike? A fern? Not good. Really not good.
Shoot.
Billy, this is Izzy's girlfriend.
I'd love to help, but...
Wait, what? Hold tight. I'm coming. No, we need to stay out of sight. Someone else will have to.
It's okay, I'll get Fern. This will just take a second.
No, I'll go. You might not get another chance to fix Ollie.
Good luck.
Get away from her!
Not now!
The machine is linked and ready to go. You can bring Ollie up now.
Amelia! Oh, man, I think the antidote just took longer this time because there was just so much poison.
Stay back.
Oh, what's wrong? I'm cured.
I love you, but you've never been a good actor. Plus, I can read your mind. Think to morphin grid!
Give me a break!
Javi? What's up with this?
My arm. Izzy didn't tell you? Let's go!
I think I left my stomach behind.
You need to hide. Bathroom's that way. Seems like you might need it. I've got him!
Thanks!
Now!
Lord Zedd, we found it!
Is everyone okay?
Miss me?
Solon! Lonnie! Get out of here! But Ollie! I got him! Get somewhere far! Really far! Like Osaka far!
Yo, Meatman, time for round 2.
The final round for you! I don't know your weakness, Billy, but I sure know theirs. Eat it, Rexy!
Our statues!
Lucky lass!
Wait! Spare my statue so I can still serve you, my lord.
Ollie, no!
How do I know this isn't a pathetic attempt at deception? I do love an evil ranger.
Back to base. We can't win here.
But Ollie!
We have to face facts!
Magelia, I want a squid drill drilling down into their base until each one of those ranger ninnies are buried in dirt.
Our shields are failing!
Sula, there's only one option!
This is an extreme emergency failsafe. Do you trust me?
This is an extreme emergency!
Empty! It's this possible?
Some kind of mass teleportation.
Your bratty friends are always running from their problems. But they won't last long without their ranger powers.
Well, you won't regret sparing mine.
Prove it to me by finding your cowardly little companions.
It would be my pleasure.
Sentinels, take the Tricera statue to my mega squidrill and spread the word. This planet is the property of Lord Zedd!
Impromptu matter translocation. I'm impressed. But where are we?
The emergency teleport sent us to the farthest empty but habitable planet.
Let's check the star charts.
There it is, huh? The atmosphere and gravity is similar to Earth, but we're 30 million light years away.
We're not even in our own galaxy?
A jump burns out the whole system, so it's a one-way trip. Otherwise, I'd have been tanning my tail on tropical beaches, rather than staying underground for 65 million years.
So, we're safe, but we're stranded?
Yeah, without ranger powers and without Zato.
Or Ollie.
So, what do we do next? Any ideas?
Focus on the facts. That's what Dr. Akana told me. The fact is, we did everything we could to help Ollie and it didn't work. Now he's with Zedd. Most of us can't morph, and Zato's missing. We're also stuck far away from a home that's probably being invaded by Zedd. But I refuse to give up. We have Billy, we have Solon, we have each other. If we just focus on one problem at a time, we'll get through. I know we will.
If Lord Zedd thinks this is over, he's dead wrong.
No powers? No way home? No big. Oh yeah? This is no big?